This is a video about how to drive a Fendt 728 with a Fendt One cab and Ergo steer. So when you get in the cab, there's about 4 different ways to go forward and reverse. So first we're going to talk about is pedal mode. In order to engage pedal mode, there is a pedal right here. You push that on there, you see that light turns green, and you're now in pedal mode. So the first way you make this tractor go into forward is there's actually a button here on the back of your joystick, this one here. You push that, and you push your stick forward, and then you'll see up here that we've got a flashing indicator saying we're going to go forward. We're going to step on the pedal, and we are going forward. So that's what pedal mode means. When you do stop, you stop until you push the pedal. If you want to stop, you can step on the brakes, and then you will not move again until you step on your pedal. So if you want to change direction quickly, you can toggle this to the left, and that does your shuttle. So you have to squeeze that trigger on the back. Anytime you want to change direction or change position from a stop, you have to pull that button on the back of it in order to indicate you're going to do a motion change. So shuttles are set that way. So but this tractor also has a left-hand reverser, which is over here. That's this little deal here. When you're in pedal mode, you can simply push this forward, and then you can see that our indicator has changed from forward to reverse. You can also hear that the button here has or the backup beeper is going. So we also, once you have chosen a direction and you're running your loader, we have this button. This button here is assignable, and so I have it selected for forward and reverse of the tractor. So now I can shuttle here. And so that's really handy when you're running the loader, because you can just click on this button and shuttle back and forth, and your hand never has to leave the loader stick. This tractor also has Ergo steer. In order to use the Ergo steer, you must make sure that your auto steer valve is on, which is this indicated here. And then now your joystick is active. And so your left-hand joystick, as you steer, the joystick, goes back and forth. There's also a shifter or a shuttle here. I can go forward, then I can use my pedal, and then I can go reverse here. So it's pretty intuitive, pretty quick. Last part of this is then going to stick mode. So in order to use stick mode, we'll push this here. We no longer have the green light indicator there. So now if we want to move forward, we'll pull that trigger on the back, or that paddle on the back, and we'll push it forward. We'll go forward. And if we want to change direction, we can squeeze it and go to the left. And then we can also go to a complete stop, and then we can back up by squeezing and pulling it back, and all that motion is